Good afternoon. Today I am going to show you how to change the windshield wipers on your 2013 Ford Focus, so stick around. Since the loop-filled Focus has been sitting around for decades and eons, you can tell that the windshield wipers need replacing, I guess. So today I went and bought some new windshield wiper blades. Ooh, that one's even better. And I'm going to change these and show you how to do it. So stick around. So I got Trico Instinct from Advanced Auto, and they're the ones that they had. Period. End of story. But you know, you can probably get them a lot cheaper on Rock Auto or what have you. So I know at Advanced Auto they'll put them on for you, but if you are cheapskate like I typically am and you want to get them from Rock Auto and save some bucks, and I'm gonna go look it up, see how much I can save, because I think these were like $22 a piece. So I'll see what I could have done on Rock Auto and save me some cash money. So anyways, to take these off, it's got a little clip there. You just clip that and it comes right out. I'll do that again just because, so you don't miss it, to see how freaking simple it is. Okay, so there it's back on. You push the button, see that little lever right there? You push that, get it over the hook, rotate it down, and then it slides right back out. So I gotta make sure that I have the correct adapter on, so that's the more difficult thing. So I'm going to shut you off and find the correct adapter. Alright, so in order to remove the adapter, because I think I need this with the B on it for my particular car, because it matches. Oh look, it said B on there already. I have to remove this. So to do that, there's two tabs, and I'm going to pull those together and then it'll come off. So I'm going to put you down so I can use two hands to take this off. Alright, I'm going to try and show you with both hands so you can see what I'm actually doing. So this is the adapter that really needs to be on there, which is the BC for the Focus. And what's on there currently is the D adapter. So in order to get the D adapter off, these two pins right here have to be squeezed towards the center, and then it'll lift off. So I do one, and then I'll do this other one, and it comes off. You see that? It comes right off, slides into that slot. So, and then it said that in order for this to work, you need to take the C shim off. I don't know if you can see that, but it has a B and a C on there. So it needs to come off. So in order to remove the C shim, you pull this back, this tab, and then you pull up on the C shim, and it comes right out. Alright. I'm going to take this off again. Hopefully you can see that pin in the sun. It's just one finger, and then it comes right off. So there you go. Just showing you how to do it. I ended up not rotating this because I want to see if it'll actually work without rotating it. So got it in there, and then both the tabs are in, and now it's on, and it looks like it's going to work without it being turned around. So the instructions weren't completely correct. So anyways, there you go. You might not save money on the labor of this, but you will save money if you order the windshield wiper blades off of Rock Auto or some other less expensive venue than maybe Amazon, you know, if you're a Prime member. But anyways, that's how you do it. And now the loop-filled Copart Focus has new windshield wiper blades. Thanks for watching, and good luck.